to our channel, Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Greasy.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do an accented flower into a low ponytail. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. With this style, I'm going to start out doing a Dutch braid on both sides here. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I'm going to start with that. So I went and parted her hair off center on the left, and I'm going to split right here from the back crown area all the way behind her ear. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Split right here behind her ear. I'm going to go ahead and take this back here and tie it up in a low ponytail. After I secured this off into a low ponytail, I'm going to start on the right side. I'm going to start out doing a Dutch braid over here on this side. Now if you don't know how to do a Dutch braid, go ahead and click right here. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to secure this temporarily. I'm going to do the same thing here over there. So now we have two braids. We're going to take these two and we're going to put them right here. I'm going to take this braid and put it right through this hair tie. Same thing here. Put it right through. Okay, so the next step is to pull these out. Take that part, these two parts here, and use them to make the flower. We're going to use the tails of these two braids and make a flower out of them. So take this and split it 3 equal parts. And all you're going to do is create a braid. So go ahead and create that braid. Each time you do a stitch of the braid, you're going to pull out just the right side part. Pancake the small part of the outside of this braid and then go ahead and continue doing that. Every time you do a stitch, just pancake them out, only the right side. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. So now we completed the braid. We're going to start at the end and roll it up. Just keep rolling it. Once you get up to here, you go ahead and secure it off with bobby pins. And there you have it. Final spit. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know what we suggest and find our videos and what we will be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to create more videos for you.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up
And click the logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
to watch more of us. Click on over there. We love you guys. Till next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys, God bless, and have a great week.